Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Coffee and Cards with Michelle. I'm Michelle Zanovich, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Every morning at 8 and on Saturdays at 9, I come and start our day with some crafting fun and creativity. It is great to be here today, and it's Friday. Oh, let me know. Do you have plans this weekend? I know I do. I am in my studio all weekend long. I've got about 6 classes to cut and get out in the mail, and I'm just over the top excited about all of the things that are happening here in the Making Memories with Michelle studio. It's pretty amazing. If you want to know what's going on, head over to my blog at www.makingmemorieswithmichelle.com for a full list of classes, retreats, and events. It's going to be a great summer. Today is our last day of the Peony Garden Suite, and I was playing with this morning. I have been up since 4 o'clock, let me tell you. I don't know why. Could be that it's warming back up, and I can feel the humidity coming back to the south. So today I made this card, and I used my regular measurements. I used a 3x4 piece of the Peony Garden Designer Series paper, and I misjudged. So we're going to correct this. We're going to fix our measurements, and we're going to remake this card. All right? So I'm not afraid to tell you guys I messed up. It happens. Oh, good morning, Michelle. Good morning, Diane. It's great to see you both this morning. Who else is out there? I see that Susan is out there. Wonderful. All right. So we need a piece of Whisper White thick Designer Series paper. And that measures 5.5 by 8.5. It's scored at 4 1/4. Okay. And then I have a piece. Oh, I'm missing a piece. Wonder what I did with that this morning. Oh, here it is. I have a piece of gray granite, 5 1/8 by 3 7/8, and it has a hole in it. That's because I cut out my layering oval out of the center. No one's going to see it, and it saves you a little bit of paper. All right? So we're just going to layer this on top. See? Once you get it down on paper, no one's going to see. And we're going to cover it up with a layer anyways. So go ahead. Save yourself a little paper. I have my stamp and seal here. And I'm making sure to put it around the edge and not in the middle because I've got that die cut image there. I don't want it to stick to my grid paper. And that is a tight fit, but that's all right. And then we're going to put it, oh no, we're not. Just hold everything. No, let's go ahead and do it. It'll be fine. We're going to go ahead and put that on our card. There I am talking to myself again. Oh, the Whisper White has been embossed with my favorite Scripty embossing folder. Then, instead of the 3x4 piece of Designer Series paper, what I realized is this takes up about 1/2 inch. This scalloped border, this is the die, the embossed scalloped die that comes in the peony dies. And so this takes up about 1/2 inch. So I cut my paper from 3x4 to 2.5 by 3.5. Okay, all measurements will be over on my blog today, so don't worry, you don't have to write it down. So let's see if that's going to give us the look that we're after. Okay, now this I just cut, and this little line across there, can you see? So we've got this little embossing line. Really, that's going to help me line up my layer so it's straight. So I'm going to put adhesive down the bottom here. I do love this new seal. Huh. Okay. And I've got my glasses. so I can see. Oh, that's much better. All right. And I'm going to line that up right on that straight line. And then take my snips and just cut off any extra. There you go. Next, so this comes in the Peony Garden suite. If you've bought that, it's gray granite shimmer ribbon, and it has a very light, delicate shimmer. It's very pretty. And so I'm going to put this right down here to cover up that seam. Okay. Just wrap that around, secure it with a glue dot. If you signed up for Paper Share, please know they're going out in the mail. Most likely tomorrow. Everything is ready. It just needs some labels put on it. You're gonna love it. Oh my goodness. It feels like it's the biggest paper share I have ever done. We're just gonna make sure that we get enough across here to make that nice and secure. And there's some real surprises in the paper. I think you're gonna find some that you know, playful patterns, for example. That's just amazing. You're gonna love it. Good morning, Jennifer. How are you today? All right. Oh, that's much better. Aha. Yeah. Could be a little crooked. It's all right. Then I'm going to take a piece of this and I'm going to tie that faux bow. That's so fun. Okay. I'm going to tie it like this. Oops. Now this is a little bit silky, kind of satiny. It does have it's a little stiff. What did I do? Where's that end? There it is. But it ties very pretty bows. Okay, so there's that. Then out of the layering ovals, I've cut a scalloped one in gray granite and a one out of Whisper White. And our sentiment today is love and thanks to a dear friend. And that does come from the prized peony stamp set. All right. So this stamp set is something that we can use for so many occasions. It's not just a single occasion stamp set. I am going to stamp that in gray granite. So I'm keeping two colors, the petal pink and the gray granite. And that fits right on this scallop. Like so. I tied that bow easily. I've had a little bit of practice. I think bow tying, I never really struggled with it because I used to do embroidery. And so lots of bows. Okay, love and thanks to a dear friend. And then we're going to finish it up with these elegant faceted gems again. Okay, these are absolutely gorgeous. And I'm going to put, look, I used a big one today. don't usually. Oops. Oh, I left the adhesive behind on that one. But it's easy to put it back on. Look at that, see? Make sure if you're using your pokey tool, what is this called? I don't remember. I'm sure that there is someone out there who can remind me the real name. Michelle, you're really good at telling me what's what. Anyways, make sure you get up underneath the adhesive. Take your pick tool. That's what it is. My goodness. All right, so here's your tip for today. If you're adding a scalloped border like I did, make sure you take into account that that's going to add. So this adds about 1/2 inch. So if you're using a 3x4 piece of paper, then it's not the right size. So I am much happier with this size. So thanks for watching. Tomorrow morning, 9 o'clock, we're working on the Box of Sunshine paper pumpkin kit, and I can't wait. Check it out. Sneak peek. Gorgeous. Okay. I will see you all tomorrow. For all measurements, it'll be over on my blog at www.makingmemorieswithmichelle.com. Happy Friday, everyone. Bye-bye.